If you are entering in the middle of the chart, you are donating money to the forex market. You are not trading. Smart traders enter at zones. What is support and resistance? In this video, I want to teach you what support and resistance means. Before we come to the chart, let me show you a simple structure here. An uptrend market is higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. Then shape of structure, low downtrend market, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Another shape of structure, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher high. The overall direction of this market is bullish, right? It's uptrend market. Then for me to draw the zone, I will draw it here. Here in higher what? In higher low. This is where I will draw the zone. Here. Right? The market reaches here, touches here, become resistant. When the market break, when the prices break the zone, pull back to become support. Then here, resistance. Then here, resistance also. And here, support. Right? Support is a reaction zone where price previously bounced, right? It is not a single line, it is an area. Prices, which are these candlesticks you see here, right? Prices, they remember zones because institutions operate at zones. Let me show you. See, here is support. Here also support. Here support. And here what? Also support. Right? Let's go to the resistance. Let's go to the resistance. What is resistance? Here we have done with what? With support. Let's come to resistance. What does resistance actually means? Resistance is where price previously rejected. Again, it's not a line. It's not a what? It's not a line. It is an area. That's the meaning of what? Of resistance. It is where price previously rejected. Let me draw a simple structure here. When the trend is going up, it's marked by higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. Then shape of structure, lower, highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, right? For me to draw the resistance, I will come to lower high here. This one, lower high. This way I'll draw the what? The resistance. Here is resistance. Yeah, this here is resistance. Here is support. Here support. And here resistance. Is resistance is where price previously rejected. Let me show it. Here is resistance, resistance. Here resistance, and here also what? Resistance. This is what? This is resistance. Now, how to use them correctly? How to use them correctly? In an uptrend market, you wait for pullback to support. For me to enter in an uptrend market, I'll first wait for what? For pullback, for this price to come back to this zone, to make a support. Then from here, I can now buy. Put my buy here, my stop loss. Then I target the next higher highs with a risk to reward ratio of 2:5. This is how you can use support correctly. And how can you use resistance correctly? I'll first wait for the resistance to come back to this zone, to reject this zone. Then I can sell in this zone, which is resistance. With my risk to reward ratio targeting 2:5. So this is how you can become profitable in Forex trading. Wait for pullback to resistance in downtrend market, and in uptrend market, wait for pullback to support. You do not enter randomly. That is impatient. When you enter just anyhow, that would be impatient. This is here. This is support. I can enter here, put my buy here, my stop loss below the support, and target 2:5. 2:5. 2:5. Here is another support here. I can enter here and target 2:5, which is the risk to reward ratio. Then your resistance, The resistance I enter here, I enter here, here, my stop loss somewhere here, and target, no, here, and target 2:5. Goes to 5. So this is how I trade my A plus strategy. The reason why this strategy is so profitable is because it has more wins than losses. Not that it doesn't lose. Sometimes I lose, but I win more than I lose. I want to give you the mistakes most beginners traders make. The mistakes. Most beginners traders, and even some traders who have little understanding in this forex market, the mistake they make, number one, they draw too many lines, right? They draw too many lines when they are marking support and resistance. Too many. And what this can does is that it can confuse you. Number two, they trade every level. It's not every level you enter. Before I enter this trade here, the first step I does was, the first step I did was I find the overall direction of the price. Where is this market heading to? I find that this market is heading to bearish as a downtrend market. Then from there I mark my zone here. Then the market pull back, give me my entry signal, then I enter. Don't combine with direction. Most traders, especially the beginners and some traders who have little time in this market, they don't care about the direction of the market. What they want is just to come and trade and make money. And that is not good. Right? That is not good. You will lose more and much of your money. Levels give you location, and direction of the market gives you confidence. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you guys. If this video has helped you, kindly subscribe, like and comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.